Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be learning about the regression analysis. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the red button that is written subscribe. Also hit the bell so that you can continue getting notifications anytime I post a video. And I hope that we are continuing to learn. Today's topic is exciting and I hope you're going to get something from the lesson. Continue sharing, liking and commenting my videos so that we can get more people learning and so that we can get more subscribers. Thank you. So we are saying that regression analysis aims at determining whether there is a relationship between two or more variables. And we are saying that there are different types of regressions. Number one is the simple linear regression, which is written in the form of y is equals to a plus bx. The second one is the multiple linear regression, which is written in the form of y is equals to a plus bx1 plus cx2 plus dx3 all the way to nxn, and where we are saying that n is the number of variables. There is the quadratic regression written in the form of y is equals to a plus bx plus c x to power 2. We also have the logarithmic regression written as y is equals to a plus bx to b to power x. So let us look at the simple linear regression. The dependent variable is explained using the equation of a straight line, regressing y onto x. And then we are writing the linear equation as y is equals to a plus bx, where we are saying that a and b are the regression coefficients. A is the intercept of y and b is the slope of the straight line. The optimal values of the regression coefficients a and b can be calculated as, we are saying that if y is equals to a plus bx, then b is going to be the covariance of x, y divided by the variance of x. And when we further expand that equation, you're saying that the b is going to be n summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y divided by n summation of x squared minus summation of x squared. And you're saying that a is going to be y bar minus b x bar. We're saying that y bar is the mean of y and x bar is the mean of x. Let's take that example to help us understand more what we are saying. So we are saying that given the following values, regress y on x and use regression to determine y when x is 15. So we have that when x is 2, y is 4. When x is 3, y is 5. When x is 4, y is 6. When x is 5, y is 5. And when x is 6, y is 7. So we are saying in the solution, remember we need to calculate the following values. We need to calculate a, we need to calculate b, we need to calculate x bar, which is the mean of x, and y bar, which is the mean of y. To get these four, we need to know the summation of x, the summation of y, the summation of x squared, and the summation of xy as follows. So we can see in the first column, we have gotten that the summation of x is 20. In the second column, we can see that the summation of y is 27. In the third column, we can see that the summation of xy is 90. And in the last column, we can see that the summation of x squared is 114. So we are saying that x bar, which is the summation of x all over the number of variables, is going to be 4 because the variables are 5 and x, the summation of x is 20. We are also saying that the mean of y is 5.4. When we go to calculating b, we are saying that b is going to be 5 multiplied by 114 minus 20 times 27. You divide by that by 5 times 90 minus 20 squared, and we get that b is 0.6. A is y bar minus bx bar, which is going to be 3. Then when we have all those values, we are saying that the regression equation is y is equals to 0.6x plus 3. So when x is 15, y is going to be, when you substitute x there, you're going to get that y is going to be 12. We have another example there. We are saying that the prices of certain items in Maryland and in Ohio were recorded as follows. We have the prices in Maryland in dollars and the prices in Ohio in dollars. When in Maryland there were 40, in Ohio there were 60. When in Maryland there were 60, in Ohio there were 80. When in Maryland there were 100, in Ohio there were 115. When in Maryland there were 120, in Ohio there were 130. When in Maryland there were 130, in Ohio there were 135. And when in Maryland there were 131, in Ohio there were 133. When in Maryland there were 140, in Ohio there were 152. Then you're told there that you later found an item costing $200 in Ohio. What is the approximate price of this item in Maryland? So in this case, because the price in Maryland is what we are looking for, we are going to denote it as Y. And prices in Ohio, we are going to denote it as X. And we are saying, recall that Y is equals to A plus BX. So we have done the calculation of the summation of X, the summation of Y, the summation of X squared, and the summation of XY. And we are saying there that B is equals to 7 times 90,553 minus 805 times 721. Divide that by 7 times 99,143 minus 805 squared. And we get that B is going to be 1.16. We are saying that Y bar is going to be 721 all over 7, which gives us 103. X bar is going to be 805 divided by 7, which is 115. And we are saying that A is equals to Y bar minus BX bar. When we substitute the values, we are getting that A is going to be 30.4. Y, so we are going to write our equation as Y is equals to 1.16 minus 30.4. When X is 200, we substitute for Y and we get that Y is going to be 201.6. So I hope, viewers, that you've kept record of how we get X bar, how we get A, how we get B, how we get Y bar. And so let's meet in the next class. I hope you've enjoyed today's class. Continue subscribing so that you can continue getting more knowledge in maths and in economics. Thank you.